People get caught up trying to get to six figures in their first tech job that they completely miss out on a lot of opportunities. I'm Jarvis. I'm the founder of We Code Designs, and I'm also a coach at the Course Career programs where I help people break into tech. So you cannot be trying to break into tech and your concern is too much about the salary, how much you're gonna make. You're gonna miss out on too many opportunities because you are trying to break into tech, especially for people who have no experience, who haven't worked in tech before. You cannot be so concerned about the salary. Your major concern should be getting your foot in the door. And once you do that, you're going to see that the possibilities of you earning higher and advancing in your skills, salary, and everything is that easy. So, if you're trying to break into tech, you should be okay with maybe starting at 40,000 a year, 50,000, 60,000, and once you get started with that salary, because that's like the salary for entry level, within 8 months to a year you can then you can then look for another job that's going to pay you higher. There's no guarantee that uh you're going to get to 100K in in your second tech job, but you're going to have a significant raise if you kind of switch jobs. And though people do get to to like do make six figure in their first job, but those are rare cases, and it's mostly people with a degree in tech, people who have done a bunch of internships, or people who have some kind of security clearance, people who have worked for like in the military before. And if you're just starting out, if you're just trying to break into tech, you should not be so concerned about the salary. Okay, entry level jobs in tech have a salary range of 40 to like 60K per year. And once you get your foot in the tech industry, that's it. You can easily up your skills. You can easily see the path you want to follow, because looking at tech uh from an outside view, like you've not worked in tech and you just hear tech and you want to work in tech, you might think it's you're gonna be doing just the same thing. There is endless uh opportunities in tech. You just have to get your foot in the door. And mostly I tell my friends to start with, like, help decks, which is like the basic. That's where you're gonna get the most experience. That's the foundation. You cannot miss that. Okay. So once you get to help decks, there's one thing that you kind of understand, and it is the different parts of tech. Because you get to work with the engineering team, the design team, not work with them directly, but you get to understand where those pieces fit in tech. You get to understand where DevOps engineers fit in. You get to understand their role. You get to understand where cybersecurity fits in. You get to understand where desktop engineers, where technicians, deployment team. You get to understand where every piece fits in, and that makes you see clearly the path that you will want to follow. So if you're trying to break into tech, do not miss opportunities. You can go. I start this is my second job and I started at 50K. I'm not at six I'm not making six figures yet, but I'm well on my way to making six figures. Okay, so if breaking into tech is something that you want to do, then follow this channel, and see you in my next video. Start a trouble.